4-4 powers of monomials. So we have x cubed to the 8th. So first, let me show you, if you didn't know how to do this, you could know that when in doubt, you're writing this out. So that's getting a little bit too much because I would have to draw 8 lines and those aren't going to look pretty. So let's just know that I have to do x to the cube 8 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if I had to, I could write this out as x times x times x, and then do this 8 times. So write this out as 8 times. So I don't want to include that parentheses. And luckily, since I'm on the computer, I can do a little trick to make it a little bit quicker. So I'm going to copy this 8 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm glad I didn't have to write that out. So now, if I were to simplify this, all I would have to do would be count how many I put here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So x to the 24. So, of course, there's a simpler way to do this. But if you were on your test and you didn't know how to do it, this would be a way to do it and get the right answer. So, if you look at this 24 here, what's a way that I could get 24 by interacting 8 and 3? Well, all I have to do is take 8 times 3, and I would get x to the 24th. And that's my quicker way to do this. Instead of writing it out, all I do is 8 times 3, and I get the same answer of x to the 24th. Number 14. The 2 is controlling everything on the inside. So first thing we want to do is make sure that every single number, every single variable has a exponent. So now that you see the exponent is 1, and we saw from our previous problem that all I do is take this exponent and distribute inside, you're going to do that same thing here, but since there's another term, there's a number right here, you're going to take this 2 and distribute to every exponent. So every exponent right there. So now I have 7 squared times x to the 10th. 7 times 7, 49, x to the 10th. And there's nothing else to simplify, so your answer is 49, x to the 10th. Okay, evaluate if a equals 3, then what would be the answer here? First thing you're going to do is take that problem and rewrite it with the a as 3. So we're going to say 3 times 3 squared. So now I need to know what I'm going to do first. So what am I going to do first for this? So how do I figure out what to do first is I'm going to use PEMDAS. So P is for parentheses, and so 3 times 3, there's parentheses right here, so I have to simplify what's in the parentheses first. So 3 times 3 would be 9 squared. So I did parentheses. Next one would be exponents. I see exponents, 9 times 9, 81. And I'm already done.